Hello dear viewer, in this video, as briefly as possible and without water, I'll show you how to reset your Windows 10 or 11 password in 2 ways. Let's go. Let's say you forgot your password and can't remember it. Since you haven't written it down or saved it anywhere, you can't log into your computer. Don't despair, it can be solved. If you don't have an installation USB flash drive for Windows 10 or 11, then ask your IT specialist friend or a neighbor for a while. If you don't know anyone like that, create it yourself. Take a clean 8GB USB flash drive and open a browser on any Windows 10 or 11 computer and type in the search query. Download the Media Creation tool for Windows 10 or 11. Follow the link from Microsoft or download the program in the description of this video. Launch the Media Creation tool program. Click Accept, then select Create an Installation Media USB or DVD, ISO. Click the Next button. If necessary, select the language, Windows version, and system bit depth of 32 or 64 bits. Click Next and select a USB flash memory device. Click Next and specify your blank flash drive. Wait for the creation of the bootable flash drive to be completed. When the USB flash drive is ready, you take it and go to your computer. Insert the flash drive into an available USB port, turn on the computer, and wait for the system to boot. When the system boots, press the Shift key on the keyboard, and on the computer screen press the Shutdown, Restart button. After restarting, a blue screen will open with action selection buttons. Select the Use Device button, then select your flash drive. The computer will restart and the Windows installation window will open. Press the keyboard combination Shift and F10. A command prompt window will open, where you will see the following. Your task is to find your disk with the installed system. If you have only one disk, it will most likely be a D disk. In my case, there are several disks. So I found out by iteration that my system disk has the letter F. So I type in the command line. I press Enter, then, and Enter again after that. You will see a list of folders on the current disk. If the Windows folder and users are present in the list, then go ahead. Then press Enter to open the Notepad program. In this program, click File, open and select all files in the File Type field. Then find the Utilman file in the list of files and rename it to Utilman2. Then search for the CMD file and rename it to Utilman. Close all the windows and restart the computer. After restarting, on the login screen, click the Accessibility button. A command prompt window opens and you write Control User Passwords 2 and press Enter. The User Accounts window opens, select your account and click on the Change Password button. Enter your new password twice, then click OK twice and close all programs. Now you can safely log into your computer with a new password. Don't forget to rename the Utilman and CMD files in reverse order. To do this, boot from the flash drive again and rename the files carefully.